Since the time the earth has been formed, it's going under evolution and still happening. In other side, if we talk about humanity, so if I ask to you, then when was the fastest period of humankind in terms of modernizing? The answer will definitely be the past 30 to 40 years. We changed our living so much as we are switching our life as luxurious as possible. Well, I'm not pointing luxury lifestyle as a big threat in future, cause fitness and skill development also get big rise in these periods. So from this side, our life is now in a balanced situation. So apart from a lifestyle, what can be a threat in future? That thing is AI, artificial intelligence, a programming that was made to change the world, but according to some predictions, it can grow as a serious threat in our future. So why I am saying that and how would it happen? These two questions will be answered after the intro. So be with us. If I ask you why are computers dominating the upcoming era, the simple answer is AI. AI is that future that we're not ever going to stop. It will always make itself more advanced. This is my prediction and sure yours too. If in a free time we will look around ourselves noticing, then you will be surprised that you are covered with at least 50 to 60% of AI based thing in your daily life. For example, smartphones, smart cars, banking and finance, security surveillance, video games, online ad network, navigation, e-payments, social media feeds, smart speakers, e-commerce, and etc. There are many more, and no doubt that these numbers are rising rapidly. And time comes when we will use these type of objects for every work, and we will make ourselves completely dependent on them. And that time, as according to some predictions, can be a turning point. But how? Look, the reason why we the humans are dominating the world is not because we are the strongest or fastest on the planet, but because we are the smartest. Until any other creature smarter than us will come and claim his rule over the planet. An interesting point is that these creatures been made by us. Well, let's explain it clearly. After 50 years ago, just assuming the AI when grown to fully advanced intelligence, so what are you thinking? That these robots or machines will work as we ordered them and always help as an artificial slave? Yeah, it sounds odd, but you have to know that the intelligence means to having the ability to learn and understand things and deal with it. So if they become smart enough to understand the situation they are going through, then it can be happen, then they will unite and deal with it. For example, couple of years ago in 2017, Facebook conducted a science experiment in which researchers got two artificial agents to negotiate with each other in chat messages. So they were turned on. First 30 to 40 seconds they didn't respond anything, but after a while they started a nonsensical type of conversation. I can everything else. Balls have zero to me, to. Sounds creepy, huh? But by this incident, it shows that how perfectly they can do their work. And also the point to notice in this scenario is according to the creators of those programs, these robots supports the English language. But despite simply using it, they made their own. And it may be possible that they created their own code by this and started their process of being union. If you are still thinking that this is unreal and just a fictional thinking, then you have to listen to some lines said by some experts like Stephen Hawking. They said in a Portugal conference that AI's impact could be cataclysmic unless its rapid development is strictly and ethically controlled.
Success in creating AI could be the biggest event in the history of our civilization. But it could also be the last, unless we learn how to avoid the risks.
Even the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk, also warns by commenting that AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
Look, whether we consider this topic important or not, but we have to commit that time by time we are going under control of AI. And whether AI will unite and rule over us or not, I am definitely can say that we are going in a state of being dependent of AI by ourselves. In school or colleges, we were told that AI could change the future. Robots would be our friends, and by this eternal combination of machine and humans, life possibilities will be indefinite. But we have to keep in our mind that what we learn from a human life, that when we are kid, parents teach us about important essential of life, but along the road they cannot control every single step within the learning process. As soon as we grow older, we control our own decision, interest and learning. The same counts for AI. We know what we put into it, but as soon as it becomes smarter, we will lose control. As for being advanced, we can try to persuasive AI. just as we do with our own kind or the humans, but we cannot predict the outcome as well. If you watched this video till now, and even if you just influenced by 10% of this future, then you definitely created a question that how can we stop it? So the simple answer is that this time is the best and only time we have to build some sort of strategy or roadmap to address AI. But if we neglect it, then it can go in that phase where it cannot be steered. So that's it, as future possibilities with AI could be endless, but not this video, so we have to end it right now. If we get some more information about AI, then Science Mystery is the junction of science where you will get it. As a bonus and ending line, I just want to say that AI is a little bit like a children playing with a bomb that could go off at any time. So hope you find it a little bit of informative. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe and like button. And if no, then comment me some suggestion for my improvement. I would love to read it. Catch you later.